Liz here with MT-RSR, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put together our tire repair toolbox. So what you're going to need today is the things that we sent you, which includes the bottom toolbox, the top toolbox, 4 screws, 4 wheels, and 4 hooks for the side, as well as a Phillips screwdriver, which we did not send in the kit. What this comes with is 4 casters. 2 of them will have no brake, 2 of them will have a brake. So while you're installing the wheels, you need to decide which side you want to be able to use the brakes on. For me, that's the same side as the push bar. So I'm going to install the 2 wheels with brakes on this side and the 2 without on this side. You install these by simply pushing them into the holes. Now that you have your wheels installed, you have to simply place the top toolbox on top of the bottom toolbox. Now that we've got the top toolbox on the bottom toolbox, it's time to secure it. You'll do this with the 4 screws that we sent you and the Phillips screwdriver that we talked about earlier. There are 4 screws, the front corner on either side and the back corner on either side. The last thing to do to put together your toolbox is to put the hooks in the pegboard side. If you need any help with your toolbox or refills, visit us at MT-RSR.com or call us anytime.